Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.2.6 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, but the process is same on all Ubuntu 24.04 minor versions. Okay, so first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to VirtualBox official website, it is virtualbox.org. Click on download or download. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 7.2.6. Then click on Linux distributions. See here, supported versions of the Linux is Ubuntu 24.04. So click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i virtual. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Put the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, dependencies failed. This is the expected error. So install these dependencies. But when installing, we will get the fix broken install suggestion. So first try to install this dependency. Copy it. Sudo apt install. Paste the dependency, hit enter. See, as expected, it is asking us to run this command. So this will install all dependencies. So copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. See, it is installing dependencies. It is success. Control A. Now install this package again. It is done. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See here we have the VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, you got the VirtualBox. Now verify the version about help about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox 7.2.6. Now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new. Or if you want to open the existing one, click on this open. Okay. You have to fill all these details. Now close this one. Now we will install VirtualBox Extension Pack. So go to downloads again. Then see here we have the VirtualBox Extension Pack. So click on this accept and install. It is done. Now click on this VirtualBox Extension Pack. Now it will open VirtualBox Manager. Click on install. See, I agree is disabled. Scroll down. Then click on I agree. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. It is installing. Installation completed. Now verify. Click on this extensions. See here we have installed VirtualBox Extension Pack. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox and its extension pack version number 7.2.6 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.